I don't go anywhere without a good set of trusty pliers in my toolbox, and this set from Mastercraft includes 3 of the most commonly used pliers. The 180mm combination pliers transition nicely from the flat tip, coarsely serrated gripping surface, sharp cutting blade, and crimping area. A great all-rounder for gripping, compressing, twisting, bending, and cutting. The 160mm long nose pliers are perfect for getting into tighter spaces or working with smaller objects, and features serrated gripping surfaces with a sharp cutting edge. And lastly, the 160mm side cutters are perfect for stripping, trimming, cutting, and crimping. All the pliers are made from chrome vanadium steel and feature hardened cutting edges and crimping zones. The two-toned handles are comfortable and designed to prevent slipping. Pliers are indispensable and useful in all kinds of situations. Now, these are just some of the plier sets available at Builders. For more product reviews like this, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.